My father's a personal chef, and he was actually in public relations beforehand. He's got no formal training. He's a bit older, but he's been doing it, cooking for a long time. His wife does the same thing, and they're pretty successful. But the thing that helped them out was the associations that are out there for personal chefs. Maybe not even needing an associate's degree in culinary arts, maybe a certificate, just 1 year of background kind of cooking, basic cooking techniques. And these associations, you pay for them obviously, but they've got a really good support group, and that's where I would steer people that want to do that. Having a good entrepreneurial sense would not hurt, because you're in business for yourself. You've got, you're a freestanding structure. You've got nothing behind you. It's you, your knives, and your pots and pans and food. Going to somebody's house, basically that many times you could have just met and never knew them before, and they're letting you in their house to cook. And if you don't know how to get into their house, first of all, you're not going to make it. So I would say, a little business mind of some kind, or some business classes outside of the cooking stuff, would not be a bad idea. It's gotten so popular in the last 10 years, and my father started in the early 90s with it, so they were on the real early end of it. So I've been able to see how things grow with that.